everyone. My name is Frank Mondoze, one of the lead faculty of the ReMENber Brotherhood journey. We're taking this moment to invite you to a new offering. It's called First Steps to ReMENber Online Brotherhood Journey. 2020 has been a wild year, and we had planned to offer 5 in-person ReMENber journeys in 5 countries, in 5 continents in the world for the year 2020. And because of the unforeseen crisis, global crisis, things have had to change. And thankfully, our Brotherhood community has been requesting that we come together and we sit together as brothers and we discuss the current affairs and maybe what challenges we're having from the current affairs or anything else in our lives. And because of this, because of the call of the field, the call from the brothers, myself and my 3 partners here have decided to offer a new offering. And this offering is called First Steps to ReMENber. And basically, it's an online brotherhood journey. And as the name implies, this will not be the full experience. We are reserving the full experience still to our 5-day in-person programs that we hope to resume very soon. But the First Steps is really a new offering that is targeted towards online, as well as bringing us together and touching on the main elements that we do in our regular training. So we're taking this opportunity to invite you all in large numbers to join us for this opportunity. And I'm now going to pass you on to Philippe, who's going to talk a bit about the structure.
Great, thank you, Frank. So this journey is going to look like 4 days, 4 hours each day. The first 3 days are going to be happening next weekend from the 17th to the 19th, and then 1 more day on the 16th of August. Each day is going to look like some version of a frame, a discussion, and then we're going to go into a ritual or an exercise or a rite of passage. And we're going to do this 2 or 3 times each day, maybe more, depending on the day. And the whole point of this is to take us on a journey. And so there's going to be an arc to this journey. And at the end of the 3rd day, we're going to leave the man. We're going to leave all of you with all the material that we've given you. And we're going to leave you to integrate this material for a month. And on the last day, we come back together, we share, we find out what we've gleaned and the pieces of treasure and the pieces of wisdom that we've gleaned from our journey, and we're going to share that with each other. So that's the gist of it, and we hope you're going to join us. Now I'm going to pass it on to Nimai, who's going to talk to us about the heart of ReMENber.
Thank you, brothers. It's good to meet you all. I'm Nimai. And I feel that what is being emerged here is something that is coming out of the void, basically, because we all thought different things is going to happen now on the planet, but the planet is introducing itself to us. The earth is speaking, our brothers are speaking, our sisters are speaking, the plants, the animals, everything is speaking so powerfully right now, and we just took a step back. Everything is being on global pause, canceling, whatever you want to call it. And then in the same time, we feel the big call or the deep call, first of all, from the hearts of the 4 of us and the others that are with us there. And in the same time, also from the field, for tribe, for togetherness, for community, for integration. Because there is so much things are happening right now, and where is the place that we can share it? Where is the place of integration with all the pressure and everything that is kind of just pushing us forward, downward, to the side, and really shaking our neurological system and our most element parts of the body, the first chakra, the fundamental chakra, the survival one. So we are here. listening to the call and asking ourselves, what can we do? You probably can hear my baby in the background.
Listen to the
And
call.
the baby is with me 24/7. So we are here listening to the call and asking ourselves, what can we offer to the field? And when understood that this is what needs to happen right now, first step to remember, creating a space for togetherness and sharing time. And honestly, we really want to have you there and wish to include you in this journey and with us for ourselves and for the planet.
Thank you, Nimai. Really, really adorable. I'm Gil, and yeah, I've been in the men's movement globally in the last 20 years, and I've never ever, both as a participant and facilitator and co-leader of workshop and men's groups, and truly was deep in that exploration, and never ever in my life, like the past few months, I relied on Brotherhood and relied on the support of men in my life. With time, with so much change and uncertainty, with time when men's role is just being completely shaken, and we are in this space where it's really challenging to navigate and lead. So that time I know that more than ever, Brotherhood and men's groups and this type of communities I can rely on, I can count, I can be supported, I can be held. So we're calling you to join us July 17th to 19th, 4 hours a day. And then August 16, we have an integration day, which is as important. ReMENberjourney.com, Eventbrite details, Facebook page, it's all available. Join us, we're calling you, we want you, we desire you as part of our community. And remember, your life is sacred. Remember why you came here. We love you all. See you so soon. Thank you.